Imagine flying the world's tiniest twin-engine aircraft, small enough to fit in a garage, yet bold enough to dance in the skies. Meet the Cri-Cri MC-15, a true marvel of miniature aviation. Designed in the 1970s by Michel Colombon, this single-seater ultralight holds the title of the world's smallest manned twin-engine airplane. Its compact size hides some brilliant engineering. Two 15-horsepower engines sit side by side on the nose, arranged so cleverly that if one fails, the plane stays stable and easy to control. Built with aluminum and foam, the Cri-Cri can be assembled or taken apart in minutes, perfect for storage or transport. But don't mistake it for a toy. This little beast can pull aerobatic stunts of up to plus 10 grams and minus 5 grams, while cruising at an impressive 120 miles per hour. In the cockpit, there's no clutter, no distractions, just you, the open air, and the thrill of shrinking the sky into the palm of your hands. The Cri-Cri isn't just a plane. It's proof that sometimes, the smallest creations leave the biggest mark. Tecnam P2012 STOL, the plane that laughs at short runways. Meet the Tecnam P2012 STOL, a game-changer built for the toughest takeoffs and landings. This aircraft turns rugged, short airstrips into smooth runways, redefining what small plane performance truly means. Certified in 2024, it packs serious muscle with a 3,680 kg max takeoff weight and over 1,200 kg of useful load. From a full stop, it can lift off in just 315 meters and clear a 50-foot obstacle in 425. Even more impressive, it only needs 360 meters to land and as little as 225 meters of rollout under the right conditions. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that feels fresh and refined. 11 seats, each with its own window, USB ports, climate control, and wide visibility from its high-wing design. Everything screams comfort and practicality. Whether it's remote island routes or rugged mountain strips, the Tecnam P2012 STOL delivers reliability where others hesitate. It's not just another aircraft, it's freedom with wings. Pilatus PC-6 Porter. This is the aircraft that laughs at limits. The Pilatus PC-6 Porter isn't built for luxury, it's built for impossible missions. Powered by a single Pratt & Whitney PT6 turboprop engine, this beast lifts over 1,200 kilograms of payload and can take off or land in places most planes wouldn't even try. With its massive wings and rugged landing gear, it conquers glaciers, gravel runways, and even water. Then does it all over again the next day. It may cruise at a modest 115 to 125 knots, but speed isn't its story, versatility is. This aircraft can leap over a 50-foot obstacle in just 440 meters and land in as little as 315 meters, making it a lifeline for remote areas and rescue missions. The PC-6 isn't just a plane, it's a legend of endurance and adaptability. Wherever adventure or survival calls, this unstoppable workhorse answers. Electra Aero L2 Goldfinch. Imagine an aircraft that can take off almost anywhere. That's the future Electra Aero is building with the L2 Goldfinch. This sleek hybrid electric marvel redefines what short takeoff and landing, STOL, aircraft can do. Powered by Electra's cutting-edge blown lift technology, the Goldfinch can lift off in less than 170 feet and land in just 114 feet, distances shorter than a football field. Its electric motors work in harmony with advanced flaps, allowing for incredibly smooth, whisper-quiet operations even on rough grass or compact pads. With a cruising speed that feels effortless and control precise enough to handle tight spots, it's not just a prototype, it's a vision of accessible, eco-friendly flight. By 2028, Electra plans to launch a 9-passenger version, designed to travel fast, use minimal infrastructure, and connect regions once beyond reach. The L2 Goldfinch isn't just changing how planes take off, it's changing where aviation can go next.
The AeroMobil is a revolutionary vehicle that transforms from a car to an airplane in under 3 minutes. Designed by Stefan Klein and first flown in 2013, it's a dream for car and aviation enthusiasts. Key features: powerful engine, 300 horsepower turbocharged engine, dual functionality, smooth on roads, seamless in the air. Great range, drives 1,000 kilometers, 600 miles, and flies 740 kilometers, 460 miles. Impressive speeds, 160 kilometers per hour, 100 miles per hour on land, and 260 kilometers per hour, 160 miles per hour in the air. Safety first. Equipped with a vehicle parachute and a sturdy carbon fiber frame, the AeroMobil combines luxury and technology, offering an exciting future for those who dream of both driving and flying. The Joby S4 is a cool electric flying taxi by Joby Aviation. It takes off like a helicopter and flies like a plane, carrying a pilot and 4 passengers. With a 150-mile range and 200 miles per hour cruise speed, it's built for quick city hops. The S4 has 6 tilt-rotor electric motors that help it lift off straight up, then switch to fast-forward flight. It's also designed to be super quiet, way less noisy than helicopters. Joby wants to use it for urban air taxi services around the world. Building one costs about $1.3 million.
Dornier Sea Star. The Dornier Sea Star isn't your average aircraft. It's a bold escape machine built for land, sea, and sky. This amphibious plane is designed for those who crave adventure and need a reliable tool for getting to remote places. With 2 powerful Pratt & Whitney PT6A 135A turboprop engines mounted in a push-pull setup on top of the fuselage, the Sea Star flies with strength and confidence. It reaches speeds of over 300 kilometers per hour, around 160 knots, and can travel more than 900 nautical miles without refueling. But what really makes the Sea Star special is its all-composite airframe. It's lightweight, tough, and completely resistant to corrosion, perfect for harsh coastal environments and marine conditions. Whether you're flying between tropical islands, conducting ocean patrols, or delivering supplies to hard-to-reach areas, the Sea Star is built to handle it. It can take off and land on both runways and open water, giving you the freedom to turn lakes, rivers, and oceans into your personal landing strips. The Dornier Sea Star isn't just an aircraft, it's a gateway to places that are off the beaten path. For explorers, pilots, and professionals who need versatility and reliability in one sleek package, the Sea Star opens up a whole new world of possibilities. The Hill HX50 is a next-level personal helicopter designed to give private pilots the perfect mix of power, luxury, and simplicity. Built by Hill Helicopters, this modern marvel brings together cutting-edge technology with elegant design, setting a new standard in personal aviation. Its powerful yet fuel-efficient engine delivers smooth performance, while advanced avionics make flying smart and safe. The spacious cabin is all about comfort, featuring wide panoramic windows that offer breathtaking views from every angle. The HX50 is built with everyday pilots in mind. Easy to fly, low on maintenance, and packed with user-friendly controls. You don't need to be a pro to enjoy the ride. It's designed to make flying feel natural and fun. Whether you're heading out on a weekend adventure or just enjoying the freedom of the skies, the HX50 offers an experience that's both thrilling and refined. With its strong focus on safety, style, and performance, this helicopter is set to change how we see private air travel.
Imagine stepping into a cockpit that feels more like entering the future than boarding an aircraft. That's the magic of the pivotal Helix. Built with ultra-light carbon fiber, this single-seat electric aircraft is designed for one thing: pure joy in the sky. With intuitive joystick controls and a sleek wraparound canopy, every flight feels like you're inside a sci-fi movie scene. It's not just flying, it's an experience that's quiet, cinematic, and surprisingly easy to master. Here's the best part: you don't need a pilot's license to take off. Under FAA Part 103, the Helix is accessible to enthusiasts ready to lift off, though structured training ensures you feel confident with every hover and smooth transition. But the Helix isn't only about fun, it's about smart safety. Triple redundant systems, a full parachute, and elegant design mean your adventure is protected as much as it is thrilling. The pivotal Helix redefines what personal flight can be: simple, safe, and unforgettable. The sky has never been this close to home.
The Gyro Motion is not a fantasy. It's a dual-mode hybrid flying car that lets you transition from ground to air with unprecedented ease. On the road, it covers 50 kilometers, enough for most daily tasks. But in the air, it stretches to an astounding 600 kilometers range, opening up possibilities for regional travel, emergency use, or simply scenic exploration. already in use across the Czech Republic. With over 30 units in operation, the Gyro Motion has proven its functionality in the real world. Though official pricing isn't disclosed, similar gyrocopter models retail between $70,000 and $150,000 USD. This vehicle exemplifies the convergence of automotive and aeronautical engineering, delivering unmatched versatility for those ready to redefine the boundaries of personal transportation.
The Lilium Jet is a major breakthrough in flying taxis. It's designed to help cities beat traffic jams and make flying travel easy and available to everyone. It's not just for quick trips inside a city but also for longer rides between cities. Imagine this. With a top speed of 300 km per hour and a range of 300 km on one charge, you could have your morning coffee in Berlin and be enjoying brunch in Hamburg in no time. The Lilium Jet comes in different models that can carry 2, 5, or 7 passengers. What's really impressive is that it fits right into today's setup. It can take off and land on regular helipads, so no need for building special airports or new infrastructure. If you're tired of long, slow taxi rides or sitting in traffic, the Lilium Jet offers a fast and flexible way to travel that could soon become part of everyday life. Konner K3 Amphibio. Imagine a helicopter that doesn't just rule the skies, but also glides smoothly across water. That's the Konner K3 Amphibio, a groundbreaking amphibious aircraft designed to blur the line between air and sea. At its core is a carbon fiber monoblock fuselage, lightweight yet incredibly strong. Powering it is the ultra-compact 250 Takas turboshaft engine, packing 250 horsepower into just 50 kilograms. That means raw strength and agility with a sleek, elegant design. But safety is never compromised. If the turbine ever fails, a 90 horsepower electric motor instantly kicks in through its smart hybrid assistance system, keeping you secure mid-flight. On water, the innovation continues. Dual electric hydrojets let it cruise quietly for up to 6 kilometers, while retractable skids, GPS position lock, side fins, and a unique V-hole design guarantee balance and control. The K3 Amphibio isn't just another helicopter. It's a bold redefinition of mobility, merging aviation and marine technology into one seamless experience. This is not the future of flying or boating. This is both, at the same time.
The Mory Smart is a next-generation reconnaissance and strike aircraft built for versatility and precision in challenging operational environments. Designed with a vertical takeoff and landing VTOL capability, it can deploy from constrained spaces, making it highly effective for rapid response missions where conventional runways are inaccessible. This aircraft is equipped with a suite of advanced sensors for real-time data collection and situational awareness, offering operators a comprehensive view of the battlefield. The Mory Smart's unique design emphasizes both agility and control, enabling precise targeting with minimal collateral damage. This precision is a result of its advanced targeting systems, which are integrated with a range of munitions tailored for selective strikes. Its compact build and sophisticated aerodynamics allow it to reach high speeds while maintaining stability, crucial for both reconnaissance and quick response strike capabilities. Strategically, the Mory Smart is designed to support various mission profiles, from close air support to high-level surveillance. It offers interoperability with ground and airborne units, enhancing its effectiveness in multi-domain operations. This combination of advanced sensors, VTOL capability, and precision targeting makes the Mory Smart an invaluable asset for forces prioritizing minimal collateral impact and operational versatility.
De Havilland Canada DHC-6300, the sky's toughest explorer. Meet the de Havilland DHC-6300 Twin Otter, the aircraft built to go where others can't. This rugged sky machine is trusted around the world for one reason: it can take off and land almost anywhere. Powered by twin Pratt and Whitney PT6A27 engines, the Twin Otter carries up to 19 passengers or heavy cargo with ease, lifting off in as little as 1,200 feet. That means even short, rough airstrips are no challenge. Cruising at 170 to 180 knots, it connects the most remote places with impressive speed and reliability. What truly sets it apart is its adaptability. Whether it's on wheels, skis, or floats, this aircraft transforms effortlessly to match any mission. Its sturdy frame and simple systems make it easy to maintain, while its roomy interior adds surprising comfort to rugged performance. It's not the sleekest bird in the sky, but when the destination is far, wild, or barely reachable, the twin Otter always gets there first, with strength and spirit that define true adventure. AirOne. Imagine stepping into the future where your daily ride isn't on the road, it's in the sky. The AirOne turns that dream into reality. With its foldable wings and intuitive fly-by-intent joystick, piloting feels less like work and more like pure freedom. You don't even need a pilot's license to take off. Its sleek canopy design, complete with dual controls, makes it perfect for sharing the adventure with someone by your side. But this isn't just a toy for thrill seekers. The AirOne charges at home just like an electric car, making it surprisingly practical. Reaching speeds of up to 155 miles per hour and covering 110 miles per charge, it's built for real journeys, not just short hops. This is everyday flying reimagined, accessible, exciting, and closer than ever. The sky is no longer out of reach. The AirOne puts it right at your fingertips. Just Aircraft SuperSTOL. Ever dreamed of landing where there's no runway? The Just Aircraft SuperSTOL turns that dream into reality. This beast of a backcountry plane is built for adventure seekers who love short takeoffs, rough landings, and the freedom to touch down almost anywhere. Its self-deploying leading-edge slats and massive Fowler flaps give it insane lift, while the heavy-duty shock-absorbing landing gear soaks up even the harshest terrain. With a takeoff distance of just 275 feet and landings that can stop in under 100 feet, the SuperSTOL laughs at obstacles that would ground most aircraft. Powered by the reliable Rotax 912 engine and weighing just 1,320 pounds, it trades speed for access. Cruising around 90 to 110 miles per hour but reaching places no other plane dares to go. More than a machine, it's a flying experience, one that redefines bush flying with pure simplicity and raw joy. The SuperSTOL isn't just about getting there, it's about how you get there, wild, free, and smiling all the way.
The Cavorite X7 is a next-generation aircraft designed by Horizon Aircraft that combines the abilities of a helicopter and a traditional airplane. It's a hybrid electric VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, meaning it can lift off straight up like a helicopter, but also fly forward quickly and efficiently like a plane. It uses 14 built-in fans for vertical lift and a rear propeller to move forward. The Cavorite X7 is expected to reach speeds of up to 250 miles per hour and can travel more than 500 miles on a single trip. Unlike many fully electric aircraft, this hybrid model can recharge its batteries while flying, allowing for quick turnaround times and longer missions. This advanced aircraft is designed not only for everyday travel, but also for more serious uses like medical emergencies, search and rescue, military transport, and surveillance missions. Its design helps reduce its impact on the environment while still offering strong performance. The Cavorite X7 stands out because it combines speed, range, and the ability to carry more weight than many other electric flying vehicles. The Hangar 9 OV-10 Bronco 20cc ARF is much more than just an RC model. It feels like bringing a real battlefield scout plane back to life. Inspired by the full-size Bronco that flew low and fast on military missions, this plane has a bold look with its wide wingspan, aggressive twin-boom design, and unmistakable presence in the air. It's designed to be powered by either twin 20cc gas engines or electric motors, giving you flexible options depending on how you like to fly. Once you get it in the air, the Bronco feels stable and confident, especially when making big, low passes that show off its impressive shape. It's the kind of plane that really grabs attention wherever you fly it. If you go electric, you can expect about 8 to 12 minutes of flight time using two 6S 5000 mAh batteries. If you prefer gas engines, you'll usually get even longer flights with the right tuning. Overall, the OV-10 Bronco offers exciting scale performance, striking looks, and the deep growl of a serious warbird, all in a well-made RF package that's ready to help you experience what flying this legendary aircraft was all about.
Imagine skipping traffic and soaring above the city in silence. That's exactly what Hyundai's futuristic SA2 air taxi promises. At first glance, the name sounds simple, but behind it lies a groundbreaking prototype, a sleek flying capsule designed for the future of urban travel. Unlike traditional aircraft, the SA2 uses vertical takeoff and landing, meaning it doesn't need a runway. Just lift off, fly, and land, anywhere. What makes it even more remarkable is its quiet operation. Hyundai claims the SA2 hums no louder than a refrigerator while in flight. That means a smooth, almost silent ride above the chaos below. Inside, the craft is versatile. It can carry up to 4 passengers or be reconfigured to transport cargo. With a range of about 64 kilometers and a cruising speed of 193 kilometers per hour, it's built for short, fast, and efficient city hops. This isn't just another prototype, it's Hyundai's bold step toward redefining air mobility. Production is already on the horizon, and the skies of tomorrow might look very different. The question is, are we ready to turn the daily commute into a flight path? Imagine flying your very own aircraft that's as light, fun, and personal as riding a bike in the sky. That's the magic of the Spacek SD1 Minisport. This sleek single-seater is built for pure joy. Crafted mainly from wood and composites, it keeps things simple yet reliable. Its most clever feature? Detachable wings. Yes, you can fold them away, making storage and transport easier than ever. Adventure becomes modular. Pilots love the flexibility. Build it yourself from plans, assemble it from a kit, or get it fully ready to fly. No matter which path you choose, the Minisport makes owning a plane surprisingly affordable. In the air, it cruises at about 160 kilometers per hour, 100 miles per hour, striking the perfect balance between speed and safety. Low-speed handling stays smooth and playful, giving you confidence with every flight. The South Dakota One isn't just an aircraft, it's an experience. A reminder that flying doesn't always need to be complicated. Sometimes, it can simply make you smile. Imagine flying through the city on a bike that feels like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. Meet the UDX Airwolf hoverbike, where raw speed meets futuristic design. This machine isn't just about looks. With convertible seating and a sport flight mode, it gives you full manual control for a thrilling, adrenaline-pumping ride. Safety comes first too, with closed turbines and an AI-assisted comfort mode that keeps every flight smooth and steady. The numbers speak for themselves. A top speed of 230 km per hour powered by fully tilted turbines and 4 aerodynamic wings, delivering speed and agility unlike anything else. And because it's fully electric, it's not just powerful, it's practical. Plug it into a standard car charger, and you'll be back in the air with 90% charge in just 30 minutes. The UDX Airwolf hoverbike isn't just another gadget, it's a leap forward in urban mobility. It blends cutting-edge tech with sustainable performance, proving the future of personal flight has already arrived. Would you dare to take it for a spin?
The Stratosphera Volatile is a bold and futuristic flying vehicle designed to change the way we think about air travel. Instead of just being another vertical takeoff aircraft, it features a unique ring-wing design that helps with lift and stability in the air. At its center is a sleek, quiet cabin made to carry passengers efficiently and comfortably. It uses a hybrid electric propulsion system, aiming to offer clean energy and smooth, jet-like performance. While the exact details aren't public yet, the goal is clear: to make urban flying feel as natural and easy as driving, turning future flight into an everyday reality.
The Air Scooter by Zapata is a small, easy-to-fly aircraft designed for individual use. It's a hybrid electric VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing, multicopter, meaning it can lift straight off the ground like a drone. The Air Scooter can fly at a top speed of 100 km per hour and comfortably cruise at around 80 km per hour. Thanks to its special hybrid electric system and a 18.9-liter fuel tank, it can fly for over 2 hours on a single trip. Made from lightweight carbon fiber composite, it weighs just 247 pounds but can carry up to 264 pounds of extra weight. One of the Air Scooter's biggest advantages is that it is built to meet US FAA Part 103 ultralight aircraft rules, which means it might not require a full pilot's license, just some basic training. It also comes with computer-assisted fly-by-wire controls to help make flying safer and easier for beginners. The Air Scooter brings the dream of personal flying machines closer to reality, offering a futuristic, simple way to take to the skies. The Aircar by Klein Vision is a new type of flying supercar that is getting closer to being ready for mass production. It was recently shown at the 2025 Living Legends of Aviation Gala in Beverly Hills. This unique vehicle has been through years of testing and improvements to make sure it is safe and practical for both personal and commercial use. So far, the Aircar has successfully completed over 170 hours of flight and more than 500 takeoffs and landings. What makes the Aircar special is that it works as both a car and an aircraft. When on the road, it can be driven like a normal car, and when it's time to fly, the wings extend for takeoff. Once it lands, the wings neatly fold back in, so it looks and drives like a regular vehicle again. Its body has the sporty look of a real-life supercar, but with some noticeable features like an exposed propeller and a raised tail at the back. The Aircar combines the excitement of flying with the everyday convenience of driving, bringing the dream of a true flying car closer to reality.
The Atea Hybrid Electric VTOL is a new kind of flying vehicle designed to change how we travel around cities. Made by Ascendance Flight Technologies in France, it can take off and land vertically, so it doesn't need a runway, just a helipad. It combines electric power with a hybrid system, letting it fly up to 400 kilometers at speeds of 200 kilometers per hour. The aircraft has 8 ducted rotors built into its wings, which help it lift off quietly and fly smoothly. It fits 5 passengers and is perfect for city travel, medical emergencies, and even sightseeing, with low noise and fewer emissions.
The Lyft Hexa looks like something from a sci-fi movie. It's a small, one-person electric flying machine made for easy and fun flying. You don't need a traditional pilot's license to fly it. The Hexa is built with a lightweight carbon fiber frame and uses 18 electric rotors to take off and land vertically, just like a drone. Flying it is simple, almost like using a joystick in a video game. It's classified as an ultralight aircraft by the FAA, so it doesn't need runways or special airports to operate. It can fly up to about 15 to 20 meters high for safety and lasts around 15 to 25 minutes per flight, depending on the weight and weather. The Hexa also comes with smart safety features like automatic stabilization, obstacle avoidance, and an emergency parachute, making it a fun but safe way for everyday people to experience flying. Imagine owning a jet so small, it feels like the sky is your personal playground. That's exactly what the Subsonex JSX-1 delivers, an ultra-compact microjet built purely for the thrill of flight. Step inside its cockpit and you're instantly transported back to childhood, wide-eyed with excitement. This single-seat, single-engine jet packs a powerful turbo engine just behind your shoulders, giving you the raw sensation of speed in its purest form. Back in August 2011, test pilot Bob Carlton first lifted the Subsonex into the air at Oshkosh. What followed wasn't just a flight, it was a performance. The jet glided through stalls, low-speed approaches, and sharp maneuvers with surprising elegance, proving that small doesn't mean less capable. Unlike traditional jets, this one doesn't scream through the air, it hums with intention, delivering a unique blend of calm power and precision. The Subsonex JSX-1 isn't about luxury or convenience. It's about passion. It's about the freedom to command the sky in a jet that feels like it belongs only to you. SuperSTOL Velis Electro. Imagine taking off in complete silence. No roaring engines, no fumes, just pure electric flight. That's the magic of the SuperSTOL Velis Electro, the world's first type-certified electric aircraft. This two-seat marvel from Slovenia is designed with one goal in mind, to make flying clean, quiet, and effortless. Built specifically for pilot training, it delivers an experience unlike any traditional plane. The throttle responds instantly, giving you smooth, vibration-free torque that makes takeoff feel more like gliding than powering up a machine. With a flight time of around 50 minutes per charge, the Velis Electro offers enough range for training sessions while keeping the skies free from noise and pollution. At just 60 decibels, it's quieter than normal conversation, proving that aviation doesn't need to disturb the world it moves through. This aircraft isn't just another plane, it's a glimpse into the future of flying. Silent, efficient, and inspiring, the Velis Electro shows us what the next generation of aviation will sound like: calm, clean, and full of possibility.
The ASAP hybrid helicopter concept is a thrilling idea that blends the vertical lift of a helicopter with the speed of a fixed-wing plane. Designed by 4 talented students from ISD Valink, this futuristic concept offers a sneak peek into the future of air travel. With its sleek, aerodynamic design, cutting-edge rotor systems, and hybrid engine, the ASAP is made for both vertical takeoff and long-distance flight. Whether flying through busy cities or covering vast distances, it's built to be versatile, making air travel faster, quieter, and more environmentally friendly. While still just a concept, the ASAP challenges the traditional way we think about flying and opens up exciting possibilities for the next generation of air transport.
Archaeopteryx Electro, where flying becomes poetry. Imagine gliding through the sky with nothing but silence and the whisper of wind around you. That's the magic of the Archaeopteryx Electro, a futuristic ultralight glider that feels more like a dance than a flight. Built with Swiss precision, this masterpiece weighs only 61 kilograms yet transforms effortlessly from a sleek sailplane into a self-launching motor glider. No tools, no hassle, just pure freedom. With its electric drive engaged, you're off the ground in just 50 meters, climbing smoothly at 2.5 meters per second. And all of this happens in near silence, leaving only the soft hum of electricity under its carbon fiber wings. This isn't just performance, it's an experience. Whether you're soaring alone in quiet solitude or crossing long distances with ease, every flight feels like stepping into the future of aviation. The Archaeopteryx Electro isn't simply about flying. It's about capturing the sky itself, turning technology and nature into poetry in motion.
The air car, powered by compressed air, not gasoline. The air car turns traditional vehicle propulsion on its head by running on compressed air instead of gasoline or electricity. Using high-pressure air tanks, this vehicle stores energy and releases it efficiently to power a lightweight engine capable of reaching speeds up to 110 kilometers per hour, around 68 miles per hour. The air car's advantages are significant. Zero harmful emissions, low operational costs, and high safety ratings due to minimal fire or explosion risk. This environmentally friendly vehicle could drastically reduce urban pollution and operational expenses, making it ideal for city commuting or short-range travel. Unlike EVs, which require lithium batteries, the air car depends on a renewable and abundant resource.
Zenair CH-701. Ever dreamed of flying a plane that can take off almost anywhere? Meet the Zenair CH-701, the aircraft that turns a backyard runway into your personal adventure zone. Built with thick, high-lift wings, full-span leading-edge slats, and flaperons, this little beast achieves incredibly low stall speeds, just 28 to 30 miles per hour, letting you float through the air at near walking pace. Takeoff? Barely 50 feet. Landing? Under 100 feet. That's less than the length of a basketball court. It's not made for speed, cruising around 80 to 95 miles per hour, but for freedom. Its strength lies in simple engineering, easy maintenance, and a design that lets you reach places most planes can't even dream of. For pilots who crave off-airport exploration, this isn't just a plane. It's pure adventure built from metal and rivets. The CH-701 redefines what short takeoff and landing really means, proving that real flying isn't about altitude but attitude.